The State Cabinet of Meghalaya on Tuesday approved the Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy and becomes the third state in the country to come out with this policy. Addressing the press after the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that issues on mental health were not given due importance in the past. He observed that the state and the government has neglected the mental health issue and felt the need to come up with a comprehensive policy. The Cabinet also approved the amendment of Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2019 and amendments were made as per the national policy.
Mental health issues are usually neglected and hence a comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy. Amendment of the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2019, and there were certain amendments to be made as per the national policy in terms of different aspects to be added to it, and different levels of compensation was increased. So those were approved as per the national average and the national policy.
A state-level meeting was